women of substance, Mrs. Usma Nahi. I'm very happy to announce it, and she was our guest of honor, and she made the day today is happy for each and everyone. We are very happy to have her on stage today, as well as she is the wonderful woman of substance to reflect and differentiate the people who are surrounding with her. Congratulate, madam.
Congratulations, Mrs. Usman Nahid Sahiba. May I request Mrs. Usman Nahid to be with us?
She's there, or she want to say anything? Okay,
Let's move.
so we can move on next. The next women of substance, my dear friend, Miss Nalini Natwalal. I'm very happy to announce she's also the women of substance, expressing her attitude, her service, her mindset to help fellow women in the community and society, and what she has gone through, the struggle in her life. She wanted to embrace the people who wanted to get the support from the real women personality who can help each other. I would like to congratulate Ms. Nalini Natwalal on bagging this Women of Substance Award today. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Nalini
Thank you.
Natwalal.
Yes, thank you, Dr. Ram and everyone here today. I would just like to share one sentence is that change the impossible to I am possible. Everything is possible if you focus and you work hard. That's my message to all of you. All the best and happy Women's Day.
Yeah, it's a great message. Everyone will aspirate like that. Thank you so much for joining together with us today. Next Substance Award is going to Ms. Fatima Savina Muhammad. She is an educationalist, social worker, helping many people in the community. We are very happy to announce this Women of Substance Award to Fatima Savina Muhammad. If you are there,
Thank you very much, sir.
yeah.
Thank you very much. It's a great honor to be a part of this and to be selected. Thank you very much, Dr. Halima and Dr. Ram, both of you, for conducting such a wonderful event. And it's great to be a part of this team, actually. Thank you.
very
Thanks a
much.
lot.
Congratulations. The next Women of Substance Award, Mrs. Vimala Dinayalan, journalist and a social worker who is really very passionate to help the fellow women in the community. I am very happy to announce this Women of Substance Award on behalf of ACE International and EduFarm International Academy. Congratulations, madam. Please come on stage to say a few words.
I'm very happy to receive this award because it's an important and prestigious award also. And my works are recognized, that feeling, no, that will take me forward to more and more success, to acquire more and more success in my life. Thanks a lot. Here I would like to quote one of the one poem from the great poet Bharadiyar. Will I? Could I? Yeah. All should be like I request all my women folk to behave like this. நிமிர்ந்த நன்னடை நேர்கொண்ட பார்வை நிலத்தில் யாருக்கும் அஞ்சாத நெறிகள் திமிர்ந்த ஞானச்செருக்கு நிமிர்ந்த நன்னடை walk with upright, walk with honor. நேர்கொண்ட பார்வை, straight forward. You should be straightforward in your visions and all. நிலத்தில் யாருக்கும் அஞ்சாத நெறிகள். Don't afraid of anything. If whatever you are doing, that it is, if you feel it is correct, you climb for it. You just fight for it. Next is திமிர்ந்த ஞானச்செருக்கு. You should be full of what to say, intelligence. If you are going to talk about something, you should be well aware of it. If you are going to do your business, you should start from the scrap level till the next level, what you are going to reach, everything you should be aware of it. If you start on tailoring shop, you should not be settled with the tailoring shop. You should go for a boutique, and who is your end customer, everything. Keep learning and become what to say, you should aware of everything and all. That is what we call திமிர்ந்த ஞானச்செருக்கு. You should proud of your intelligence also. So dear women folks, I wish you all the best and keep rocking. That's what I am telling. Keep rocking. Hearty congratulations to the co-awardees also, and my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Ram as well as Dr. Halima who recognized my social service and all. Thanks a lot. And may God bless you with all the prosperity in the world and wish you all the best for your future endeavors also. Keep encouraging us like this. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for your nice word. And it is also encouraging everyone here today join with us. And you are the role model and you are the capable of person to help everyone here as well as in your surrounding. Thank you. Have a nice day. The next Women of Substance Award goes to Dr. Reshma Tabasam. She is the Assistant Professor, Department of Education in Ellen Vidula University, Darbhanga. Really, her speech was very inspiring today, and she is the capable of women doing the great service for the students who wanted to aspire their education as well as the social contributions. We are very happy to announce this Women of Substance Award on behalf of the organizing committee. Dr. Reshma, please say a few words.
Thank you for awarding me with the prestigious award. And I'm thankful from the core of my heart to you, Dr. Halima, and all who are organizing this program. So the message which I want to convey to my dear sisters on this occasion of Women's Day, one day prior to the International Women's Day, I'll say that please educate those women who have crossed their age of education. If you'll educate few women of your locality, then this darkness will go away from their mind and they'll be also illuminated like you.
Thank you so much.
This is my message.
Congratulations, Reshma.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
The next Women of Substance Award goes to Ms. Muzarat Nas. She shared something in a very nice manner. We are very happy to announce this Women of Substance Award to Mrs. Muzarat. If you are there, please share a few words.
She is the one who has established a school for underprivileged children, and she wanted to share her thoughts, but due to some technical issues, because they are into remote areas in a village of Muzaffarpur, Bihar, India. So she was unable to join us in while sharing her thoughts, but we congratulate her for being Women of Substance.
The next Women of Substance Award goes to Ms. Kalaivani Ilango, the Executive Committee member of Tamirvel Narpani Mandam. She is an educator and from Singapore. Please, Ms. Kalaivani, if you are there, please come on stage to say something.
Congratulations, Ms. Kalaivani. Congratulations of being a Woman of Substance.
The next Women of Substance Award goes to Mrs. Fadras Kutubwani. She is an advocate and in the Supreme Court. Her speech illustrates about the female judges who are serving the great thing and making the community very peaceful as well as empowered. So we are very happy to announce this Women of Substance Award goes to Mrs. Fadras, making her journey to support for the fellow women as well as the community to achieve the prosperity in their future period. I'm welcoming her on stage to speak a few words.
Congratulations, Firdaus.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Dr. Ram. Thank you, Dr. Sadia. I have no words to actually thank you all because this title, Woman of Substance, in itself is such an honor for me. And I would dedicate this award to my daughter, who is too young to understand this. But I think after my motherhood, she was the one who actually encouraged me to keep on going. Because every time when she sees me on the television or when she sees I'm holding some meeting or anything, I'm talking to people, she always is like this, Firdaus Wani, my mama. She knows my name. She calls me by that name only. So I think I am honored that you chose me to be the Woman of Substance. And amongst so many of the awardees today, I feel that, I have done very little and taking inspiration from all of them and support and encouragement from people like Dr. Ram and Dr. Sadia. I mean, I want such people in my life, and I pray and hope that everybody has such people in their lives so that they keep on going. So it is just that, women, woman is always born great. It's just that because of the society, they feel that they are inferior. They should forget about that. They should keep on moving. A woman is a human, and human created by the God, and God has created beautiful things. So woman is beautiful, and they should never feel that they are lesser than anyone. So keep on rocking. All the best. And thank you so much. Thanks a lot. So thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations, Mabruk. Congratulations to the daughter.
Thank you so much for your nice words. The next Women of Substance Award, we are very great and happy to announce to Mrs. Shadab Kamar. She's a principal in the Composite School, Vaishali. She's greatly inspiring the people who wanted to be admirable always. So we welcome on her to stage to give some nice words.
थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर राम एंड डॉक्टर हलीमा सादिया। मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आप लोगों ने मुझे चुना, और मैं और बहुत अच्छे करूंगी जब तक रहूंगी। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you. So nice of you. Congratulations. You deserve it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your nice words. We are very happy to announce the Women of Substance Award to Ms. Kalaivani, who is the executive member for the Tamaravel Narpani Mandam, and also an educator serving better for the community, school children as well as women. And she is also a public speaker, bagging many awards, rewards in Singapore. I'm very happy that I am also having a friend like this, Ms. Kalaivani, in my circle. And she's also a person to showcase as a model, as well as the example, good example for the people who want to learn from her and who want to follow her for making a good style of presentation as well as representation in the community. We are very happy to announce this Women of Substance Award to Ms. Kalaivani. Please come on to share some few words about this.
Congratulations, Ms. Kalaivani Ilangu.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Actually, it's my immense pleasure to receive the award on this platform. It has been a very amazing experience for me to hear from many of the lady speakers all over the world. And I really thank this opportunity, and I'm really like, I have no words to describe my feeling. There's a long way for me to go, and I hope that I can learn from one another. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Congratulations.